Hey guys, this is a quick unboxing review of the SMALLRIG multifunctional shoe clamp for cameras, digital SLRs, tripods, and mounts. So let's open it up and take a look. So essentially with these guys, you can take any, like what I'm trying to do is I have a tripod arm mount and I want to just clamp something to it and put some additional flashes and lighting and microphones, because right now I have them taped and I thought this would be a better way to, evolve your current tripod. So I'm going to set that up and I'll report back with how that goes. So this is how my tripod mount looked before. So definitely much better now, kind of looks like a funky robot than the tape. And this one here, obviously it's a lapel, but in the future, if I get a light or something like that, I can attach it there. So these things are awesome. Add extras to your existing mount or tripod. Pretty nifty, eh?